Awesome and fast text-to-video creator Pictory AI. Generally, I, Tena Shitarik, am new to most content creator AI tools, including Pictory. However, of all the AI tools I'm exposed to, Pictory is easy to use, and it shortens an amount of time one spends to create a video content using Pictory AI. The following are some of the advantages of Pictory I found. Pictory addresses many problems related to creating and editing videos for social media. First and foremost, it shortens quite significant amount of time required to produce videos from a script or texts. Before using Pictory, I had to use different AI tools and web pages to create the video, find a stock footage, a voiceover and edit before I get the video ready for upload. Once the script or text is ready, however, Pictory helped me speed up my content creation process in a matter of few minutes. It offers many flexible options to create social media videos, and makes it a great fit for different content creators. What I like most about Pictory is the ability to transcribe videos and edit the video using video transcription text. But, I have to admit that all the facilities or tools that Pictory offers is fantastic, easy access to stock images or videos to use with text or script. Edit video by text, the built-in voiceover. So, why not try it yourself?